Assalamualaikum Nursery class. How are you all? Fine, Alhamdulillah. Well done. And mashallah. Today's topic we are going to discuss. What is this? Do you know? We are going to complete the words. One letter is written on the beginning and you have to complete the word. Okay? We have to put two sounds together here. There is not only one blank. Last time we did only one blank, but this time we are going to do two blanks. But this is not a difficult work. For my Genius Nursery class students, this is very easy. And when teacher Sadaf is with you and teacher Fariha is with you, that is not difficult at all. Okay? We are going to do it just in seconds. Now, just come on and look what's going on. Which picture is this? Nut. Nut. You are correct. Nut. This picture is of a nut. So, which sounds are going to come here? A, t, nut. How to write a? Can you tell me? Yes. Down, down, down and round. Then go up and then come back again down and make a small tail. Don't go down the line and don't cross the upper line. Okay? Now, which is the next letter? A, t. Okay. Just make one and just round it before the line and put a dash here on this line. You can make very beautiful nut. You can write very beautifully. I know everybody can write so beautiful. Nut. Nut. Read with me. N-a-t. Nut. Nut. We are going to the next picture. Very familiar picture is this. Everybody can tell me what is this? Jet. Well done. Superb. Jet. Okay, now can you tell me? Can you help me? Which sound will come after j? Definitely a. How to write a? Same like this. We have to make an open eye of k and then it will become a. Okay? J, a, n, t. Tomato. Jet. Read with me loudly. J, a, t. J, a, t. Jet. J, a, t. Jet. Can you fly jet in the air with your hand? Zzz, like this. Okay. Now we are going to the next picture. Which picture is this? I know everybody can tell. Papa. Pot. Okay. Now just try to think which sound will come after p. Ought. So that means it's ought word. It's an ought word. So first we will write a and then t. Pot. Read loudly with me. P, a, t, pot. P, a, t, pot. Oh my God. Can you see this picture? What's there? Oh, yes, of course. You are right. This is a, t, fat. Exactly. So which letter is going to come after F? What will come after F? A. we will make round, 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 and then we'll go up again and come back down, and a small tail on the line. A, F, A, and T. What it becomes? Fat. Fat. Okay. F, A, T, fat. Read with me. Loudly, a little loudly. F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. Excellent. Now we are going to the last word. Yes, this boy is playing and he hit. Hit. You can see they have written the spellings here also. Yes, hit, hit. Can you read from here? Hit. Hit. We will write here E sound. We have to write 1 in these 2 lines. We will put a dot and then T again. Can you repeat loudly? Yes. Hit. 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 Very good. Hit. Now once we will read all the words again. Read with me. Nut. Nut. Jet. Jet. Hot. Hot. Fat. Fat. And the last one is hit. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson of today. Now what you have to do, you have to do this work and send the pictures to me in the classroom. I will check the work and send back to you. And we will meet in the next lesson tomorrow again, okay? Until then, Allah Hafiz, and take very good care of you. Wash your hands again and again, and do care about you, because this coronavirus is spreading very speedily now. So you have to be very careful, babies. Okay? Thank you so much. Take good care of you. Allah Hafiz.